Hello. So this is quadratic equation part 3. So you can check the previous two videos via the card here. And in this video, we are going to discuss the quadratic equation solutions in the form of x square plus bx minus c equal 0. So let's go to the video. Okay, so this is my first question. X square plus x minus 6 equal 0. So now, as we have discussed earlier, we have to take the third number by multiplying two numbers. So we have to make 6. So 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. But here we have an important thing to consider, that is the 6 is negative. So to make a negative number by multiplying two numbers, only one number should be positive and the other number must be negative. So you have to keep in mind that one. One is positive and the other one must be negative. That means these two numbers can be either positive 1, negative 6 or negative 1, positive 6. Here, if we take this solution, positive 2, negative 3 or negative 2, positive 3. Either one of these four pairs can be true. Okay. So, how to find the correct one now? The thing is, we have to consider about the middle term now. So, what is middle term? X. X means, what is the coefficient there? Yeah, that is 1. 1. Now, we have to make the positive one by simplifying these numbers. Okay, so negative 6 plus 1. Is it positive 1? No, that is negative 5. Here, positive 5. Here, negative 1. And in the last one, positive 3 minus 2. What is the answer? Positive 1. So, this is the solution. Let's put two brackets, n equals 0. We will write x and x here. And we have the two numbers, negative 2 and positive 3. So, these are the two solutions. So, now it's easy. The harder part is done. X minus 2 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. Now moving negative 2 to the other side, x equal 2 or x equal negative 3. That's it. Very easy. I will discuss the same thing in the next question. Simplifying these two numbers, we have to take negative 1. Okay, let's check. Positive 2, negative 1. When we simplify, what is the answer? That is positive 1. So, this is not correct. Negative 2, positive 1. Yes, that is correct. Then you will take the answer as negative 1. No? So, this is the pair. This is the one we were searching for. Okay, x plus 1 and x minus 2 equals 0. That means x plus 1 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. Then we will take these numbers to other side. X equal negative 1 or x equal 2. That's it. Very easy. So, moving to the third question. So, our next question, x square minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Now we have to make the negative 15. Okay. 1 times 15 is 3 times 5. Either both answers must be positive and negative. So we have 4 ways now. 4 solutions. Okay. So the middle term is negative 2. We have to simplify these 4 pairs to take negative 2. Okay. Let's take. So 15 minus 1. No, that is not relevant to 2. Ne? This is the 1. Now we have to take positive and negative. Positive 3, negative 5 or negative 3, positive 5. Ne? Okay. So to take negative 2, we have to select this one. So we will write x plus 3 and x minus 5 equals 0. So x plus 3 equals 0. X minus 5 equals 0. Then x equal negative 3 or x equal 5. That's it. Very easy. Okay, next question. X square plus 5x minus 14 equals 0. So minus 14, 2 times 7, no, 1 times 14. To make the 5 as the middle value, 2 and 7 is the solution. 2 and 7. So x equals 0. I will write 2 and 7. Now I am making the question more short and sweet. Okay. So as we found the numbers 2 and 7, I just wrote 2 and 7. Now what I want to do is find the negative positive signs. Okay. One must be positive and the other one must be negative. So to make positive 5, the larger number must be positive. The smaller number must be negative. Very easy. So x minus 2 equals 0 or x plus 7 equals 0. That means x equal 2 or x equal negative 7. That's it. So the last video we are going to discuss in this video, that is x square plus 4x minus 21 equals 0. Now we have to make negative 21. Okay. So 1 times 21, 3 times 7. Those are the solutions. Okay. So x here and x here equals 0. So 1 and 21 can be eliminated. So I can select 3 and 7. I will write 3 here, 7 here. But the middle number is positive, right? So the larger number is positive, the smaller number is negative. You can put the same sign here in the middle value for the larger number. Then it's correct. That is the short and sweet method, okay? So x minus 3 equals 0, x plus 7 equals 0. That means x equal positive 3 and x equal negative 7. So you got the answers. So in this video, we have discussed how to solve quadratic equations and how to find the solutions for them in the form of ax square plus bx minus co, ax square plus minus x minus c. Okay. So in the next video, we are going to discuss solutions of quadratic equations in advance. So let's meet soon. Bye.